everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're going to be looking at one of our brand new dry cases. Okay, this is going to be a dry case, no refrigeration, no function. Size on this unit is 47 inches. Okay, so before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall exterior measurements. I'll also measure the inside for you. So measurement for the length, 47 inches. Measurement for the depth, 29.5. And the overall height, you're going to be looking at about an overall height of 55 inches high. Okay, so the unit does have wheels, casters on the bottom, as you can see. Okay, so you can easily move it around. You have glass on all sides, as well as your back slide door, glass door as well, and then you have the glass on the top as well on your counter that you can use as a counter. Okay, now if you follow me over to the back, we'll measure the inside. Also on the back, we have a control here for the lighting. Okay, there is LED lighting on the inside of this unit. Okay, so that plug is only going to be for your lighting. Okay, as I mentioned, no refrigeration, no function. It's all dry. Okay, so from the very front to the back, you're looking at 26 inches. Just for the shelf, front to back, 20 inches. Okay, so that's going to be the same measurement for all shelves. As you can see, you have 3 shelves plus the bottom part. Okay. Now, overall height on the inside, you're looking at 32 inches. Height in between each shelf, you're looking at about 7.5 inches. Okay, and the length, you're going to be looking at I'll give you the length from this side. You're going to be looking at a total length of about 44 inches. Okay, so 44 inches of the length on the inside. Okay, as I mentioned, this is a dry case. Dry case, that's standard US plug for your lighting. Okay, very simple unit. You can use this for your bakery or maybe any other idea you might have for your business. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information regarding this unit, including the price for this exact size. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.